Today we're going to talk about our hydro mixer. This is a clear view hydro mixer 4-port for our soft wash system. If you look here, you've got 4 valves. This system, you have a raw water, your soap valve, your chemical, and your DI water. Each one of these, you're going to want to make sure before use on any of these union caps above and below each of these valves, you're going to want to make sure that they are tight. These are actually only hand tight, and you don't want to over tighten them because they will leak more. On both of these, you've got your water valve, which has from 0 to 10. Your soap valve is going to be the exact same, 0 through 10. Although your bleach valve is going to be, or your chemical valve is going to be different. The chemical valve, you're going to have 0 through 6 on it. Because we know the most readily available common form of bleach or sodium hypochlorite that you can get is 12 to 12.5%, we're able to do the math so that when you have these on here, this window right up here is going to display a number. Right now it is set to 0. When these are horizontal, the hydro mixer valve is closed. As I turn this, 0.5, 1, 2, all the way open to 6, that is actually the percent of bleach that you're actually going to be spraying. For the soap valve, the number is there primarily as a reference because depending on what type of soap or surfactant you're using, we may not know. Just like it has the chem valve, we have a 0 there. It goes from 0 all the way to 0.5, 1, all the way through to 10, wide open. In most common use cases and in most soaps and surfactants, you're going to run somewhere between a 1 and a 3. Your water valve, on the other hand, it does have the same numbers that are on here, but it is always, in most cases, wide open. Very rare occasions do you ever have a need to reduce this, but all the way down here, you can see on the lower indicator, this is wide open. This is closed. The only time you're going to find yourself closing the raw water valve is if you're shooting DI water. DI is the exact same, 0 through 10. You've got this wide open now. Now you're pulling DI water. This specific hydro mixer is set up for a Comet P40 for a drone system. You've got over here, you've got your bypass. And on this side, you've got your main suction line for the pump. This is going to run to your soft wash pump. In this case, it is a Comet P40 that is going to pull into it. And this is the side that your bypass is going to go through. Real quick on the maintenance of a soft wash hydro mixer, the big concern here is your chemical valve or your bleach valve. Your bleach valve, you want to make sure after every job and after every day that we are running water through it. Even though each one of these components is rated to handle sodium hypochlorite or bleach, the reality of it is, if it sets in there and dwells in there for too long, it's going to cause damage. So after every job you get done with, it is highly recommended either using one of our remote rinse or a manual rinse that you at least pull water through here for a couple of minutes to ensure that this guy is rinsed through. If you purchase a system directly through us, it will be set up with either a remote rinse or it will be set up with a manual rinse.